Hey there, I'm Mr. Weather, joined by Mr. Relevant. Let's venture into Earth science news and events that occurred through the month of September. This is the monthly What's What.
Venus is extremely toxic, acidic, and its atmosphere is hot. Scientists often overlook Venus for signs of potential life. However, in September, the possibility of life was discovered using powerful telescopes. Scientists have detected the chemical phosphine, a biosignature gas, which they hypothesize to be a result of some form of anaerobic living organism. Others believe it could be a result of geological or atmospheric processes that are unique to the mysterious planet. This new discovery may indicate that Venus was once an Earth-like planet. Before Earth, billions of years ago, Venus lived in the habitable zone. Venus has a similar mass to Earth and once was covered in water and possessed an atmosphere that may have supported life. Further research is needed to confirm this new, out-of-the-blue finding.
A late September heat wave reinvigorated California's already brutal 2020 fire season. Fires have charred more than 3.7 million acres in California since the beginning of the year. Wildfire smoke has led to poor air quality, causing more than 1,200 excess deaths and 4,800 additional hospital visits. California has a diverse climate and is one of the only places that has a Mediterranean climate outside of the Mediterranean basin. This leads to dry summers and wet winters, although increased temperatures are leading to a more developed desert area in the southern part of the state. Climate change impacts are causing changes in precipitation patterns, hotter weather, severe drought, and leading to drier forests that are more susceptible to burning. These patterns are becoming more common for the semi-arid western United States. These worsening conditions increase the chance of wildfires. Since the 1970s, wildfires in California have grown about 8 times in size. The best chance we have in preventing these disasters are by tackling the climate crisis head-on and taking precautions when we have open fires.
Over 233 million years ago, huge volcanic eruptions pumped carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor into the atmosphere. These violent explosions formed what we know as the west coast of Canada and led to massive global warming. New research indicates this was a planet-changing, mass extinction event that killed off many dominant tetrapods and heralded the dawn of the dinosaurs. This event, the Carnian Pluvial Episode, or CPE, was first noticed in the 1980s but thought to have been restricted to Europe. New geological evidence indicates it was a global event. It is hypothesized to have killed as many species as when the dinosaurs were finally eradicated from the Earth by a giant asteroid. The CPE led to our modern marine ecosystems. Geologists are investigating the details of the volcanic activity to understand how these eruptions led to the changes of Earth's ecosystems.
Thank you for joining us. Watch the monthly What's What on the first Wednesday of each month. Please subscribe to Mr. Weather's World on YouTube for exciting new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.